In today's video, let me show you how to fix the Safari JavaScript required error. So if you've come across this error inside of your Safari application, then in this video, let me show you the way that you can fix this issue. All you want to do is head over to these settings on your device. Once you're inside of settings, scroll down, head over to apps and find the application of Safari. Inside the Safari settings, what you need to do is scroll down again to the bottom of the page until you see the section called Advanced. Inside of the Advanced section, you'll be able to see the option called JavaScript. So this is the exact option that you need to toggle on in order to fix the JavaScript required error. If this option was toggled off for you, this is the exact issue that you're facing. So make sure you toggle this option on, and once you toggle this option on, make sure you reload all of the websites or all of the tabs that you have inside of your Safari, and your issue should be immediately fixed out. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. If this video helped you out, I'm going to see you in the next one.